analyzing the income statement. The Gardeners Market had net sales of $602,000, operating expenses of $110,530, and cost of goods sold of $67,690. What is the percent cost of goods sold? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So the percent of cost of goods sold is found by taking the cost of goods sold and dividing it by the net sales. The problem tells us that the cost of goods sold is $67,690 and the net sales is $602,000. So we'll just use our calculator to perform this division. $67,690 divided by $602,000 gives us a decimal of 0.1124418605. And we want to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So that means we first need to convert this to a percentage. And we'll do that by multiplying by 100. That moves the decimal 2 places to the right. So I have 11.24418605, and I want to round to the nearest tenth, which means 1 decimal place. Since the 4 is less than 5, I leave the 2 as is, so my final answer is 11.2%, and that is the percent cost of goods sold. The hat shop had costs of goods sold of $98,570, operating expenses of $40,400, and net sales of $102,300. What is the percent operating expenses? Round to the nearest tenth of a percent. The percent operating expenses is found by taking the amount of operating expenses and dividing by the net sales. So the problem tells us that operating expenses is $40,400. And then the net sales are $102,300. When we perform that division, we get 0.3949169111. And we want to write this as a percent, so we'll multiply by 100, which moves the decimal 2 places to the right. So we have 39.49169111. And we want to round to 1 decimal place. The 9 is larger than a 5, so we'll round the 4 up to a 5. And our final answer is 39.5%. Sally's Bakery had total assets of $432,866 and total liabilities of $206,500. What is owner's equity? Owner's equity is also referred to as the net worth, and this is found by taking the total assets and subtracting the total liabilities. The problem tells us that total assets is $432,866, and then we'll subtract the total liabilities, which is $206,500. When we subtract those two values, we get a net worth or owner's equity of $226,366.